Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate. So I'm here today with another wonderful video. Benefits of mango leaves to our poultry farm. What are the benefits? I have done a video on this channel on how to prepare mango leaf juice and how often you can give to your chicken. How to prepare. We have two types of mango leaves. We have the matured leaves and we have this type of soft leaves. So in this video we are going to talk about the fresh leaves, how to prepare the fresh leaves, fresh mango leaves, and how we are going to give it to our chicken. So here are some few benefits of mango leaves to our chicken. Number one benefit is that it boosts the immunity of our chicken, which makes your chicken to be in good health all the time. Your chicken will not be sick, because when their immune system is high, they will not see any reason to be falling sick, which means you will not be having excess spending in your poultry farm. You can be rest assured that you have good profit. Another benefit is that it also boosts the growth of our chicken, especially if you are into broiler farming. You can be rest assured that within 6 weeks, your broiler chicken have the required weight, which is stable size. So, another benefit is that it also contains calcium, which is important for bone development and egg shell formation. If the egg shells are strong, you'll not be having damages, you'll not be recording damages at your poultry farm. So, this is how we are going to prepare the fresh mango leaves. As I told you earlier, that this video is specifically how to prepare the fresh mango leaves to your chicken. Now you can get your fresh leaves. After washing them, you have to wash them before chopping them. I've already washed the fresh mango leaves. You will wash them and then you will start chopping them into smaller pieces. So as you can see, if it is the mature leaves, it will not be easy to be chopped just this way. So in that my video, the other video that I made, how I boost growth and egg production in my poultry farm, is in my channel. You can check how you can prepare the juice using the matured leaves. So this one for today, we are using fresh leaves. So you get your fresh leaves, you wash them, chop them into smaller pieces. There are so many health benefits, so why not try mango leaves and see the magic? The fresh leaves are easy to be chopped. You see? So we are done chopping the fresh mango leaves, and here is our feed. Here is our feed. I'm going to add fresh mango leaves to the feed. And I'm going to mix it together. Mixing fresh mango leaves to their feed. So this is what I'm going to serve them now. You cannot mix it and then keep it. As you are mixing, you are going straight to serve them. You cannot mix the fresh leaves and then you keep. You are mixing. After mixing, then you are going to serve them. So we are going to serve them to our beds now. Layer chicken. All right. So they were already waiting. They were eagerly waiting for their feed, which means they are going to eat both with the fresh mango leaves and their feed. So thanks so much for watching. Please, if you have watched up to this very point, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel and join the great family as we continue to farm. Thanks so much.